Hello and welcome to this ClassCalc tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to customize your students' calculators with the CustomCalc feature. When a teacher creates a CustomCalc, they can restrict and block functions like sine or cosine, or even entire calculators, like the graphing or matrix calculator, making them unusable on a student's phone during test mode. Teachers can create multiple CustomCalcs and reuse them whenever they would like. For example, my AP Calculus semester final. I want to block the graphing calculator, all algebraic functions, and the integral function. I will start by adding a new CustomCalc and naming it. Once I'm on the CustomCalc screen, I have the option to lock entire calculators. I can also lock specific functions found in these categories. I don't want my students to have access to the graphing calculator, so I can block it by clicking on the graphing calculator icon. To unlock this function, I simply re-click the Locked Calculator button. To block all algebraic functions, I can lock the entire category by selecting Lock All. Within the Calculus category, I don't want my students to have access to the derivative or integral function, so I click those functions to lock them. On the left-hand side, I can see how many features I have locked from that specific category. Once completed, I can confirm the CustomCalc by clicking the tick button. To use a CustomCalc in test mode, select a classroom and then a CustomCalc, then click Start a Test. As you can see from the student's phone on the right-hand side, the student doesn't have access to the graphing calculator, the algebraic functions, or the derivative or integral functions. You can always change a CustomCalc during test mode by selecting Options and then Change CustomCalc. Thank you for watching this ClassCalc tutorial.